This is them doing a presentation on the birds of prey, falcons and such.
They thought they'd seen a ghost because he was silent, a white chest, his favourite hunting time. He also has very good eyesight.
He had one in this tree here, but he called it back. Oh, there it is. It's in the middle of the grass.
His eyesight is said to be the same, if not 2.5 times better than ours. In the daytime he sees in colour, just like us. At night time he sees in black and white. He has night vision. He sees just as well at night as we do in the day. He hunts by sound. Another reason why he flies silently. Is he? Is he? I'm not going in your bag, madam. Is he? No, the owl will do that. You know that. Is he? He hunts by sound, which is why he flies silently. To give you an idea of how good his hearing is, he can hear every one of our heartbeats right now.
Poor thing.
It gets better. He can hear the short-tailed vole moving in the grass at 100 yards away. You can hear the heartbeat of that vole